Hi, my name is Nicholas Sweeting. I did my CS620 Fall 2025 project on climate and health data integration. Climate variability impacts infrastructure, agriculture, and public health. This matters because it will assist leaders in making good decisions, and raw climate data is messy and inconsistent. I focused my project on a clean, reproducible pipeline. Some of my biggest problems were that the raw data came in a fixed width format, which required some significant reformatting, and it had a lot of missing values that were coded as -9999. And so I had to prepare the data for meaningful analysis. So I started off with data cleaning, and so that involved with removing headers, replacing the 9s with NAN, and we used float 32 to reduce computational cost, and sorted the data by date. So with data merging, I had two data sets that I was using to perform my analysis, and so I merged them and added source labels to show where the data came from. This graph here is a visual representation that shows you that year over year there is some consistency when precipitation happens. These are my evaluation metrics. The purity shows how well clusters align with true categories, and the RAND index is pairwise agreement between clusters and labels. My purity was relatively low because clusters contain different seasons. Precipitation doesn't always separate clearly by season. And my RAND index was relatively low because clusters disagree with seasonal. In summary, reliable, reproducible pipeline for climate data analysis gives confidence that data set is ready for deeper climate health analysis. In the future work for this project, it would be helpful to expand data to include temperature, humidity, wind speed. Also, I would like to integrate health data such as hospital admissions and respiratory illness. And I would like to create an interactive and user-friendly dashboard. And in closing, by cleaning and merging climate data, we unlock reliable insights that can guide public health and resource planning. And these are my references.